Hey guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here, and in this video will be a squishy package from mercari. So let's get into the video. So here is the package. I ordered this around like 4 days ago. So let's just open it. Another package, okay. And they're separate. So here are the two packages that it came in. So I'm going to open up this one. Okay. So I'm not going to... So you'll get the first peek. I'm not going to look. Okay. So the first squishy I ordered was this fruit ariti cake. And I bundled all these squishies myself. It smells so good. So here's the box, if you guys want to know. So these are a little defective, like I don't know if you can tell, but like right there. And just like kind of minor cracks like that, but it's okay because I ordered it like that. Well, this one's soft. This is like an orange cake. So soft. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next one. Okay. Alrighty, so you'll get the first peek now me. So the first thing I got is this Bun Extra. I'm not taking that out because doesn't even look good enough to take out. And then I also got some more extras in this little like baggie. And it has some stickers because we have like a bird. This is pretty one. Sushi. I think that's sushi. No, that's honey and crackers. This little kitty. A leaf. And then like this moon and tree thing. So now I'm going to pull out. Okay, so the first thing I ordered, the second thing I ordered was this iBoon bagel, and I got the Galaxy version. So, I don't know, it smells like the iBoon cheesecakes. You've not had the cheesecake. Ooh, it feels so nice. And here is the packaging. So we're going to go on to, I think it's the last item in here. Yep, it is. It is the Rampo burger. So here is the box. A little smashed, no bend, but that's fine. That was probably from shipping. Okay. This literally feels like a marshmallow. Like there's like, feels so nice. Feels like I smell much. Oh, I guess it smells like vanilla. It smells so good. So, that feels nice. Sticky too. I really like this squishy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans.